So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn another problem from LeetCode. Problem number is 779, and the question is a kth symbol in grammar. Okay, so we build a table of n rows. Okay, so we build a table of n rows. This is a one minus indexed. Okay, so we start by writing 0 in the first row. Okay, and now in every subsequent row, we look at the previous row and replace each occurrence of 0 with 0 1 and each occurrence of 1 with 1 0. For example, n equals to 3 uh, and the first row is 0. Okay, and if n equals to 3, then first row is 0 and the second row is 0 1 and third row is 0 1 1 0. So given two integer n and k, return the kth 1 minus index symbol in the nth row of a table of n. Okay, so if you have n number of row, if you have n equals to 3 and k equals to 4, that mean row number 3 and element number k means element number of 4. Okay, so if you have n equals to 3 and k equals to 4, so like that. Okay, so here you can see n equals to 1 and k equals to 1, so output equals to 0, row 1 1 colon 0. If n equals to 2 and k equals to 1, output 0. Explanation: row 1 equals to 0 and row 2 equals to 0 1. Okay, so now we can see here. If I'm going to explain a problem again. So if you have table of n number of row, row 1 start with 0. Okay, for each subsequent row look at the previous row. Okay, so replace 0 with 0 1. 0 is the previous one and with it will replace with 0 1. Okay, so replace 1 with a 1 0. Okay, so 0 and 1 parent, and it replaced by each subsequent row look at the previous row. Okay, so our goal is given n and k, return the k symbol in row n. Okay, if you have n equals to 3 and k equals to 4, then row 1 equals to 0 and row 2 equals to 0 1 and row 3 equals to 0 1 1 0. Okay, and row fourth element of the row and fourth element of row 3. Okay, answer 0, fourth element of row 3. Fourth element 0 1 2 3. So it is for 1 is less than equals to n is less than equals to 30. Okay, so 1 is less than equal to k is less than 2 to the power n minus 1. So each row n come from a parent element in row n minus 1. So we are going to solve it by using recursion. So here we can see um, like each element in row n we come from a parent element in row n minus 1. Okay, so parent index equals to k plus 1 divided by 2. If k is odd, symbol equals to parent. If k is odd, symbol equals to parent, and if k is even, symbol equals to 1 and parent. Okay, so here I am going to solve this problem. If n equals to 1 colon return 0. Now parent parent equals to self dot kth and self dot kth grammar. Here n minus 1 comma in bracket k plus 1 and divided by 2. If k divided by 2 equals to 1 colon return parent else colon return 1 minus parent So here I think function name, I need to change function name. Now I need to run it again. Okay, accepted. So this is the solution of our problem. Okay guys, bye bye, take care. If you want, we can also try run. Like kth grammar 3 and 4, the parent kth grammar 2 2. Like example, if n equals to 3 and k equals to 4, kth grammar now 2 2 and parent kth grammar 1 1, then kth grammar 1 1 return 0, which case return 2 k 2 2 k equals to 2 even 1 minus 0 equals to 1. Back to the 3 4, so k equals to 4 even 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Answer is 0. Okay guys, bye bye, take care.